Hey guys, it's August right now, and we follow here on the homestead this little Jacksonville seasonal planting calendar that we got. And in August, we get to start planting. So we got beans, broccoli, cauliflower, collards, sweet corn, cucumbers, onions, peppers, pumpkins, southern peas, squash, tomatoes, turnips, watermelons can all go in the ground. So we've got a bunch of seeds. We've got our garden area that we've been tilling, and it's gone through its final till. I've got it roped out for beds and walkways. We're gonna do 35-inch beds because that's what it came out to, and 16-inch walkways. So we're gonna try to pack it. And we have, I think, 25 or 30 different types of plants that we're gonna put in here, and we're gonna mess around and find out. See what grows. I'm very excited. We're gonna get some sweet corn, another round of tomatoes, and we're just gonna get everything laid out here, rake it a little smoother than the tiller did, get our walkways kind of mulched, and get all the seeds in the ground, and get everything planted and labeled. Yes, it's time. Sweet corn, guys. Round 2 of sweet corn and some more tomatoes for some canning. So I'm gonna pause the camera and get started with raking it, and I'll be back. The light got away from us yesterday while we were putting all the seeds in the ground because that took some time, but we got everything planted and got some tomatoes, some zucchini, some onions. We'll put a picture on the screen here, but we put a lot of stuff all over the place. The back half is corn, and we got that all planted. We threw the sprinkler on it last night, and while it got dark, but I could still work, I went ahead and mulched my walkways here. So now let's talk about this garden bed for a minute. We have run these beds from north to south, which is a first for us. Normally we were just following the property line and the driveway, but this time I wanted to see the difference. Did it make a difference? And also, we have a string right here that runs down the middle. Okay, that string is a project in and of itself. This half over here, we did a manure bottom layer to try to hold the water more. And then the other side we didn't. So we're gonna see how everything grows, and all the plants are mirrored across that middle string. So if there's a Roma tomato 2 feet to the right, there's one 2 feet to the left. Trying to do an experiment and see what happens, along with an experiment on, does the bed orientation make a difference, especially when we're going into the winter months. So we're gonna do a weekly follow-up on this garden and see how the experiment goes. And also, this is our first time planting these kinds of plants in August. Normally we wait 1 month and we're putting in like winter stuff like broccoli and cauliflower, but you know, hey, if tomatoes are gonna grow, then let's get some, right? So the only thing left to do right now, the walkways are mulched, the beds are prepped, they're planted, they're watered, so we should start seeing some sprouts in the next couple days. But we're gonna go ahead and throw our labels in. I'm only gonna throw labels on one side, because like I said, this side is a mirror of this side. So if I tell you what a plant is on this side, we know what it's gonna be over there. That makes sense, right? Sure it does. So the only thing left to do is throw the labels in the ground so that we know what variety we've planted of tomato or of an onion or of a zucchini. That way we know for future use. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. And I'm gonna do it the easy way. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Bam. All right, there you go. So, labeled, planted, watered. Now we just have to let Mother Nature do its thing, and hopefully we've done enough to help it along. So that's gonna be it for today. And If you want to watch it grow, then maybe follow along. I don't know. If not, then go and do something on your homestead. Stay busy, guys. Have a good one.